Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. How was your day today?
My day was busy, but good.
Were you working or studying?
A little study and some housework.
Very good. Education is important.
Yes, I really like studying.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like English.
I am also learning English.
That's great. Do you practice?
Yes, I practice a little every day.
That is a very good habit.
What is your favorite book?
I like storybooks.
I like reading stories too.
Do you remember any story?
Yes, an inspiring story.
Stories teach us lessons.
That's absolutely true.
What do you do in your free time?
I exercise and read books.
Exercise is good for health.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
That is also a good habit.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green is my favorite color too.
So we have something in common.
Yes, that's nice.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and vegetables.
I also like healthy food.
Healthy food makes a person strong.
That's right.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Family is a person's strength.
I believe that too.
What is your goal in life?
I want to become a successful person.
That is a very good goal.
What is your goal?
I want to help people.
That is a beautiful thought.
Thank you.
Do you like music?
Yes, calm music.
I like calm music too.
Calm music relaxes the mind.
Exactly.
Do you watch movies?
Sometimes.
What kind of movies?
Educational and inspiring ones.
Those movies have good messages.
Yes.
What is your favorite place?
I like mountains.
Mountains are very beautiful.
Nature makes people happy.
That's true.
Do you wake up early in the morning?
Yes, it's my habit.
That's a sign of success.
Thank you.
How is the weather today?
The weather is nice, a little cold.
I like cold weather.
I like cold weather too.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, in the morning.
Coffee makes a person alert.
Exactly.
Do you get along with people easily?
Yes, if they are good people.
Good people make life easier.
That's right.
I enjoyed talking to you today.
I enjoyed it too.
Talking feels good.
Yes, it clears the mind.
I hope we talk again.
Inshallah.
I am a little busy now.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you for the conversation.
Thank you too.
Take care of yourself.
You take care too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again.
Yes, see you again.
Good night.
Good night.
Wish you success.
Wish you success too.